Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Outlook. Live, Com, or your Outlook app, make sure you can access the existing mailbox. Once signed in, export mail and contacts to a PSD or export file. This prevents data loss. Next, decide the route. Add an alias to your Microsoft account, change the primary account address, or create a new Outlook account and migrate mail. Do this now so you don't interrupt sync devices. The method you choose affects which settings you'll change next. Once done choosing a route, open Account, Microsoft, Com, and navigate to your info, then manage how you sign into Microsoft. Add a new alias by entering the desired address, then verify it using the emailed or SMS code. If your goal is to change the primary Outlook address, select that alias and set it as primary. This updates your sign-in and from address. Make sure to leave a recovery email or phone. Otherwise, account recovery becomes harder later on. After changing the address, update the Outlook app and any email clients with the new primary address, and if required, re-enter your password. If you created a new account, import your PSD to restore mail, folders, and calendars. Confirm that mail flows and that mobile devices resync. If something goes wrong, immediately check alias verification status and run Microsoft account recovery. Also clear cached credentials on devices and ensure two-step verification settings didn't block sign-in. That usually resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.